Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on applying equations. One of the main reasons we learn how to solve equations is that we need to be able to solve real-world problems. Let's look at some examples. Number one, find the size of m in the triangle below. So here's a triangle with three angles. Now we know that the sum of the three angles of a triangle gives us 180 degrees. So when we add those three angles up that are in the triangle, that gives us 180 degrees. When we add those two together, we get m plus 105 degrees equals 180 degrees. Subtract 105 degrees from both sides, and it gives us m equals 75 degrees. So that's the solution, m equals 75 degrees. The sum of three consecutive numbers is 42. What are the numbers? So if we let the numbers be, let's say the first number is n, then because they're consecutive numbers, the next one is n plus 1, and the next one is n plus 2. So if we add those three up, which it says, the sum of three consecutive numbers, this one, plus that one, gives us 42. Collect like terms, 3n plus 3 equals 42. Subtract 3 from both sides to give us 3n equals 39. Divide both sides by 3 to give us n equals 13. So because n equals 13, which is the first number, the second number is 13 plus 1, which is 14, and the third number is 13 plus 2, which is 15. So 13, 14, and 15. Number 3. 5 times a certain number is added to 7, and the result is 52. What is the number? Let the number be n. So 5 times n plus 7 equals 52. That's what the problem tells us. Subtract 7 from both sides to give us that line. Simplify to get this line, so 5n equals 45. Divide both sides by 5. That gives us n equals 9. Number 4. Find the length and width of the rectangle. So the length is 3k and the width is k and the perimeter is 56. That's the information we're given. So if we add k, 3k, k and 3k, because they're the four sides, so there they are there, that gives us 56. When we add the left-hand side up, we get 8k equals 56. Divide both sides by 8, which gives us k equals 7. So if k equals 7, that means the width is 7 and the length is 3 times 7, which is 21 centimetres. And there it is there. So the length is 21 centimetres, the width is 7 centimetres. 7 times a certain number plus 3 is equal to 5 times the same number plus 39. What is the number? Let the number be n. So 7n plus 3 equals 5n plus 39. I have changed this worded problem here to that number sentence or that equation. If we subtract 3 from both sides, we get 7n equals 5n plus 36. If we subtract 5n from both sides, we get 2n equals 36, so n is 18. So the number that we're after is 18. So this video has given us 5 examples where we can use our knowledge of solving equations to actually solve real-world problems. And all we do, we transpose or put the worded problem into a number sentence, and then we solve it, and that's how we solve the real-world problems.